Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to view Patreon content without paying. Let's get started. Let's be clear from the start, you cannot illegally view paid Patreon content without paying. Patreon is a subscription platform and creators lock their content beyond payment. Trying to bypass this can get your account blocked and it's not fair for the creators. Now let's talk about what you can see for free. First, open the Patreon app on phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are in, search for a creator page. Many creators post public content. This can include free posts, free views, image, announcement. These posts are marked public and anyone can see them. Some creators offer a free tier. This gives you limited access without paying. If a free option is available, just tap join for free. Many Patreon creators also post content on YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, Twitter. Check their bio link on Patreon, then check for free content there. And that's it. That's how Patreon content works for free on an iPhone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.